Should I watch a football game or should I play a football game? I'm not the best at it, but I think it could be a lot of fun. It's a nice day out, so I think I'm gonna go play. Did I make the right choice? Well, if you think so, then you could be a fitness trainer. A fitness trainer is a person that uses motivational skills to help a person reach their fitness goals. Fitness trainers can earn a degree in sports medicine. Sports medicine is the study of physical fitness to treat or prevent injuries and to increase a person's overall health. Fitness trainers can work with a person in a fitness gym, outside at a park, or on a sports surface. They demonstrate techniques, observe to be sure that the person is doing it right, and to congratulate them so they can keep on going. You know you don't have to wait to be a grown-up to be a fitness trainer, right? You can be one right now. Do you have any ideas how you can use your love of sports to make money? You can start by playing exercise-type games with family members or friends. When they're having a great time, you can encourage them to keep on going. Until then, have fun out there.